Podcast script for episode 36, Understanding the Role of Panel Advocates in Legal Dispute Resolution. Introduction. Welcome to DNTV Hyderabad's daily podcast series, Legal Issues Resolution at Legal Services Authority. I am Bharadwaj, your host, bringing you episode 36, Understanding the Role of Panel Advocates in Legal Dispute Resolution. In today's episode, we will explore the crucial role that panel advocates play in resolving legal disputes. These legal professionals are often a lifeline for individuals who need expert representation but lack the resources to afford it. Stay tuned to understand how panel advocates contribute to access to justice and legal support in India. Section 1. Who are panel advocates? Panel advocates are qualified lawyers who are enlisted by the Legal Services Authority to provide legal assistance to people who cannot afford to hire a private attorney. Panel advocates are an integral part of the National Legal Services Authority (NALSA) and the State Legal Services Authorities (SLSA). They offer free legal advice, represent clients in court, and help them navigate legal disputes. These advocates come from diverse legal backgrounds, but all share the goal of ensuring equal access to justice for those who cannot afford it. Section 2. The role of panel advocates in legal dispute resolution. Panel advocates serve several essential functions in the legal dispute resolution process. Number 1. Providing legal representation. Panel advocates represent clients in court, offering expert legal advice and defending the rights of their clients in legal proceedings. Number 2. Guiding clients through legal processes. They help clients understand the legal process, what to expect at each stage, and how to prepare their case. This guidance is crucial for individuals who are not familiar with the law. Number 3. Filing cases and petitions. Panel advocates assist in drafting legal documents such as petitions, complaints, and applications which are required to initiate legal proceedings. Number 4. Negotiating settlements. They can also negotiate settlements or plea bargains on behalf of clients, ensuring the disputes are resolved without the need for a lengthy trial. This can be a faster and less costly alternative to litigation. Number 5. Legal counseling and advice. Panel advocates provide crucial legal counseling to clients, explaining their legal rights and options. This empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their cases. Number 6. Representing vulnerable groups. Panel advocates play a key role in representing marginalized and vulnerable groups such as women, children, and workers, ensuring that they are not denied justice due to their socio-economic status. Section 3. Real life impact of panel advocates. Story 1. A construction worker was injured on the job but did not have the financial resources to file a case for workers' compensation. A panel advocate took up the case, helping the workers secure compensation and navigate the legal process without any cost. Story 2. A woman from a rural area was facing domestic violence and did not know how to approach the courts. A panel advocate supported her in filing a complaint under the Domestic Violence Act, and the case was resolved, providing the woman with legal protection. These stories illustrate the critical role that panel advocates play in ensuring justice for those who cannot afford expensive legal representation. Section 4. How to access panel advocates. Here's how you can access the services of a panel advocate if you need legal assistance. Number 1. Visit your Legal Services Authority (LSA) office. You can approach the District Legal Services Authority (DLSA) or State Legal Services Authority (SLSA) to seek the assistance of a panel advocate. These offices are located in most major cities and districts. Number 2. Call the legal aid helplines. Legal aid helplines are available to guide individuals who require assistance in locating a panel advocate. These toll-free numbers connect people to the nearest legal aid services. Number 3. Attend legal aid camps. LSA frequently organizes legal aid camps where people can meet with panel advocates to discuss their legal issues. These camps are often organized in rural and underserved areas. Number 4. Reach out via online platforms. Some legal services authorities have online portals where you can request legal assistance and get connected with panel advocates who can represent you. Remember, panel advocates are available to help you through the legal process without any financial burden. Section 5. How you can benefit from panel advocates. If you are facing a legal dispute, here's how panel advocates can help. Number 1. Representation in court. A panel advocate will represent you in court, ensuring that your case is presented effectively, whether it's a civil, criminal, or family matter. Number 2. Free legal advice. You will receive expert legal advice at no cost, empowering you to understand your legal rights and opinions. Number 3. Access to justice. By working with a panel advocate, you will have the chance to resolve your dispute and achieve justice regardless of your financial status. Number 4. Time and cost efficiency. Panel advocates can often help resolve cases through mediation or settlements, saving you time and legal costs that would otherwise be spent on long drawn out litigation. Conclusion. Panel advocates are an invaluable part of the legal system, ensuring that justice is accessible to everyone, especially those who cannot afford private legal representation. Their work enables individuals to resolve legal disputes effectively and fairly. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you found this episode helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. Join us tomorrow for another insightful discussion on legal services. Until then, stay informed, stay empowered, and don't forget to seek help when you need it. Call to action. If you need legal assistance, reach out to your local legal services authority to connect with a panel advocate today. Know someone who needs help with a legal dispute, share this episode and help them get access to justice. Follow DNTV Hyderabad for more insightful episodes on legal solutions and services. Key message: Access to justice should never be a privilege of the wealthy. Panel advocates ensure that everyone has the opportunity to be heard and receive fair representation.